Every Monday, we discuss mental health here on 9 News at 4. And coming up later this week, we're partnering with the Denver Gazette to hold a town hall about the mental health challenges of going back to school during a pandemic. Vince Bizdak, editor of the Denver Gazette, joins us now. Vince, thanks for being with us. We talked a lot about this, but there really is an incredible need for mental health resources right now, and particularly for kids.
Absolutely. Back to school 2021 was supposed to be kind of a return to normal, but what we're hearing are anxieties by parents or have been re-aggravated by the Delta variant. And so parents are as anxious as ever as their kids go back to school. And Colorado already has some challenges on mental health. We did a big series last year at the Gazette and found that Colorado was 48th out of 50 states in the mental health services it offered. So there are big challenges for mental health services for children especially.
Oh, absolutely. And there's just so much to navigate when you get back to school, period. Forget everything that COVID brings with it. So talk a little bit about the efforts to connect those who are lacking insurance to mental health resources so desperately needed.
Well, there's 18 bills got passed this last legislative session to really make it easier to connect with insurance. And actually, the state is going to reimburse people for 3 mental health screenings for their children. So they're really trying to make it a lot easier and pave the way for people to do more screening for mental health and pave the way to get their insurance covered more quickly. So that's very heartening to see that the legislature is starting to recognize this as a major problem and take some action.
So true. So what else can we learn from the town hall? It sounds like there's a lot of things that are going to be discussed and really helpful for parents.
We're going to have Reverend Quincy Shannon from the Denver Public Schools on the town hall. We're going to have Dr. Stephen Berkowitz, who's a child psychologist, and we're going to have Heidi Bassfield, who's a mental health expert at Children's Hospital in Colorado. And what I think they'll do is talk through a game plan for parents and give them really concrete advice on how to address the social anxiety of going back to school for a lot of kids and give them tools for addressing mental health issues as kids go back. They didn't reintegrate very well last fall. So a lot of children are very nervous and worried. And we want to try to help parents be enthusiastic and excited about school and tell their children, things they can do, specific strategies they can take to take care of themselves. It's really about self-care.
So true, because sometimes saying it's going to be okay is just not enough, and we know that as parents. And we know our Chris Bianchi is going to help moderate this, so we're excited. How can people watching right now be a part of this conversation as well?
Well, you can register ahead of time at denvergazette.com/school, and you can leave a question that we will get our moderator to ask for you. And during the town hall, you can ask questions live of specific panelists, and those will come in through a chat function. We're also going to survey questions online on social media and try to ask our panelists those questions directly in real time during the town hall.
All right. Well, many kids are already back, so some of these questions are now just popping up in the dinner conversation. So thank you so much. Vince Bizdak, thank you very much. We look forward to that.
Thanks, Kim. Thanks for having me on.